Yeah, my name is Jinan Allan, and I'm an assistant professor here at Clemson University. I'm in the human factors area, but my background is in cognitive psychology, especially as it relates to decision making and risk literacy, or the ability to evaluate and understand risk information in the service of informed decision making. Prior to joining here at Clemson, I did my master's and my PhD at the University of Oklahoma. And then I was a postdoctoral fellow in Berlin, Germany, with the Max Planck Institute for Human Development. Here at Clemson, I'm also affiliated with the Media Forensics Hub, which is a relatively new group on campus that focuses on studying misinformation and disinformation in online environments. And there I collaborate with folks in other departments like economics and political science to really understand who, why, and when people may be vulnerable to misinformation or deceptions in online environments. Yeah, so my research really aims to develop models of psychology of informed decision making by considering the kind of range of cognitive mechanisms that shape diverse and well-informed responses to risks. And so what this really means is that I use a lot of survey-based methodology and test and measurement techniques, especially in representative samples across the US or even abroad, to understand who, why, and when people may be vulnerable to risk misunderstanding, as well as how other factors like cognitive abilities, political affiliation, personality, or other deeply held values and beliefs might influence people's comprehension of risks and their ability to make decisions thereafter. And so a lot of my work has focused on extreme weather decisions, so how people make decisions in the face of events like hurricanes and tornadoes. But I also have worked in other domains, including medical decision-making or public health domains, considering responses to emerging threats like the COVID-19 pandemic. So my mentoring style is really adaptive for students of different needs and different levels, which means that early on, when a student is just getting started, it could mean something like weekly meetings or even more than that. And later on down the road, it could mean meetings only when the student needs it or when they feel like they want feedback. In fact, I think one of my favorite things about mentoring students, both at the undergrad and the graduate level, is really being able to witness them kind of grow and witness this transformation from really needing more hands-on mentorship at the start of a project to later on being really comfortable with a hands-off style, or with them even telling me what is an important or the next best step. And so I'm really excited to kind of mentor mentor students from kind of a wide range of levels or disciplines. So when I am looking for graduate students or also even undergraduate students, I am most looking forward to students who are really excited about the topic area, as well as are, of course, conscientious, friendly, and a good team player. So, I mean, I really believe that grad school is no small feat, and that in order to be really successful, students have to really be able to enjoy and be intrinsically motivated by their topic. And so that being said, I'm really excited to work with students who have a diverse background, because I believe that really a lot of kind of cool creativity and innovation comes from working in groups that like kind of foster diversity and inclusion, and that can bring people together from different perspectives. And so maybe as an example, this can mean not having a non-typical or having an indirect route to grad school. So for example, going to junior college first or working in industry for a while after your undergraduate degree. And maybe even to use just myself as an example, I did my undergraduate degree in math and statistics and then made a shift to psychology for grad school. But while there, I worked often with meteorologists and political scientists, as well as people who focused on public health and medical domains. And so I'm really open to mentoring students from all backgrounds, and I'm really just excited to work with people who are excited about solving applied problems and who are interested in decision making.